Welcome everyone. It's such a wonderful feeling to be here with Allison and Andrew to celebrate the beginnings of what we know will be an extraordinary marriage. You are all very dear to them, and it means the world to them to have you here this evening. On their behalf, thank you for your unwavering love and support, the endless encouragement, and frequent laughter throughout the course of their lives. You've all played a role in shaping them into the individuals that they each fell in love with, and that is why you've been chosen to witness their vows of marriage. They value you and the love you bring to their lives. So celebrate and remember that in the love and emotion that pours forth from each of you lie the hopes, dreams, best wishes, and blessings that are the gifts your hearts have come to offer Allison and Andrew today.
No.
Nope, still not.
I was kind of hoping it would hit me earlier so it doesn't happen right when I'm walking down the aisle. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Every person has a story. Today begins a brand new page in your story together. Today, we are witnessing what happens when a friendship catches fire and grows into love. You've been together for almost a decade, and in those early years, separated by countless miles. Long relationships are hard, and no one else quite understands. Years from now, your journey will be part of your story, a story of long days and lonely nights and hard work. If you really think about it, love that involves long distance is not built on a physical relationship, but rather a foundation of solid trust.
The way that you hold me when I'm feeling.
And I wasn't going to do the note, but
So did you do one for him too?
I did, yeah. That one was easier the day of. I had a hard time writing the first year anniversary one.
Yeah.
It was a lot of like, I hope.
And don't get me wrong,
Go around first, right?
Around the front again.
Like this.
Up, back, over the back.
And then up, and then down, right?
roasters and printers, all these things you'd kill to see. I keep turning my head.
Be my Prince Charming. Oh, it fits. I feel so honored. I just gotta cry. I think I'm gonna cry. Don't cry! Don't cry! It's coming. Okay, you're waiting for the next song. It's hard. Oh my god! Don't do it! Cheers! Oh my god. You look really good. Thank you. Are you ready? Me too. I'm beyond ready.
This chest is full of memories of gold and silver tears. I'd give you more to own
This
than
is
all
love.
this.
How do I know it? We see it in your faces, in your smiles, and in the sparkle in your eyes. We see it when you talk about the other, the faith you have in each other and your relationship. You not only care deeply about each other, you profoundly believe in each other. So what we wish for you is simple, that you continue to deeply love and profoundly believe in each other. Through that, your bond will be absolutely unbreakable.
Slow your breath down, just take it slow. Find your heart now.
Andrew, I love you more than any bad day ahead of us, more than any fight we will ever have. I love you more than any obstacle that could try and come between us.
I can't promise you that tomorrow will be perfect or that life will be easy. I can promise you my everlasting devotion, my loyalty, my respect, and my unconditional love for a lifetime.
I can promise that I'll always be here for you, to listen and to hold your hand. I will always do my best to make you feel loved.
I can promise to dream with you, build with you, and always encourage you. I promise you that I will be your friend, your everything. I love you the most.
I promise that I will be your friend, your everything. I love you most.
You've kissed 1,000 times, maybe more, but today the feeling is new. Today, your kiss is a promise. No longer simply partners and best friends, you have become husband and wife, and you may now seal your vows with a kiss. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor, pleasure, and privilege to present to you Allie and Andrew Kirkman.
You know, it takes a lot to plan and prepare a wedding, you know. You have to have a good eye, you gotta be intelligent, you gotta be patient, so we thank Allie for that. And really, I couldn't be more proud of him. He's, been a friend first, kind of then transitioned into a brother. I mean, my brother is here.
What am I doing here?
And he's really transitioned into family. You know, I love him as a brother and super proud of you, man. So, cheers.
I've always admired Andrew for how nice of a person he is. And I don't know, I really admire that about him. Thank you for that. I think that y'all two make a really good couple. Because I don't know, you mesh well together, you make each other laugh, and it makes me really happy to see you guys making each other happy.
So Allie is one of the best friends that I have ever had for all these decades. Sorry for being female. I mean, like I said, we went from neighbors to friends. Around 5th grade, we got better friends. We got that attitude subject.
I had surgery. She thinks I had attitude. Surgically removed from my body.
But we became much better friends after that. But through all the years, no matter how far apart we lived, no matter how close we lived, different paths our lives have taken, we could go 5 minutes without talking, we could go 5 weeks without talking, and we can just pick it up like we have been together forever. And I have to say, Andrew, since she met you, there's a sparkle in her eye that was never there, a pep in her step, and the smile, you can see it now, that you put on her face is something.
Love that smile.
Incredible. And I just want to wish you both, on your marriage day, a lifetime of happiness, health, and humor. So, to everyone.
They say love like this comes once in a lifetime. For the first time I believe it to be true. All of my friends say, when you know, you know. Every piece sets me free.
Allie and Andrew, may your life together be full of miracles and joys. May you always remember how to play, laugh, and enjoy life.
I know